In this video, you will learn how to crop iPhone photos. So if you want to cut and resize images on iPhone or iPad, this is the video you need to watch. Hey guys, I'm Rahul from TechReview. And without any further delay, let's learn how you can quickly crop photos on iPhone or iPad. In order to crop iPhone photos and resize them, let's just open Photos app and select the photo that you want to crop. Next, you have to zoom in and make the visible area that you want to keep while removing the ones that you want to crop out. And once you do that, you will see a crop button here. You can see the crop button active here. Tap on that and that will crop the exact area that was showing up on the screen. And this is the quickest way to crop iPhone photos. You can simply tap done to save it, or you can also revert to original if you didn't like that. Simply tap on this three dot icon in the top right and then select the option that is revert to original, and that will go back to the original one. However, if you want to crop iPhone images and cut them into specific ratio of size, then what you have to do is you have to tap on this edit icon in the bottom right. So tap on that and that will activate the edit menu. Next, you will notice here are few tools for editing in the Photos app on your iPhone or iPad. So you have to select the crop tool that you see here in the third option. Tap on crop and then you get the cropping interface where you can drag the corners like this to select the specific area that you want to crop. And after that, tap on done and that will crop the image. And if you want to make the selection again, you can drag the corners like this, or you can reset everything and go back to original one and start from scratch. Apart from that, you also get multiple options that are preset. So you have to tap on this icon in the top right and you get the option for selection. You can select from freeform, which allows you to select freely, or you can also select square or slide like this to select other options like wallpaper, 9:16 ratio, 4:5, 5:7, 3:4, 3:5, 2:3, and also horizontal one like this. And once you have selected the specific area that you want to crop, you can tap on done checkmark to save the changes, or you can start again by tapping on reset and start from scratch. So this way you may crop iPhone photos and resize them depending upon your requirements. I hope you found this video helpful. And by the way, if you want to learn how to combine images together on iPhone or iPad, make sure to tap here to watch this video. I'm Rahul signing off and I'll see you in the next video.